Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight or today we are at Walmart and we are going to work on some Ibotta, swag bucks, and Shopkick deals. So I'm really excited about that we got a little bit of some swag bucks and Shopkicks rebates to work with too. Been a little dry on that end, but that's okay. It looks like they might be coming around a little bit. But I have a weekend warrior bonus where you get 15 offers, you get $1 bonus. Not that great, but it's fine. I will take it because we also got another bonus, a February funding bonus for $10 when you get 36 offers. I'm also working on a Rising Star bonus that is for the Ibotta Insiders Club. Not everybody got an invitation to that, but that's for 85 offers for me. I get $10 back. But then after I do that, then I graduate up to another one where I think it is $40 for maybe 100 offers, 110 offers. I'll totally do it because they're giving us several months to work on those. That's the same with all Ibotta rebates, bonuses. Everybody gets different things. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to grab is the big Soleil Smooth Razors. Ooh. For $4.92, we have a $3 rebate back on Ibotta. We also have a $3 printable coupon from Shop.with.com, but it's having issues at Walmart, and my cashiers did push them through for me, but if your store won't take them, then I wouldn't do it. And then I grabbed the Bic Hybrid Flex 5 razors for $5.97. We have that $3 printable coupon and then the $3 rebate back on Ibotta, making this guy free. But like I said, use this with big caution. So anyways, we will go on to the next thing, and that is the Ivory body wash for $3.97. It's for the big bottles. And we're going to grab 2 of these, which is easier said than done with one hand. But we're going to grab 2 of these for $7.94. We'll get back $4 back on swag bucks, making it just $1.97 for each of them. Then we're going to turn around and we're going to grab some Old Spice deodorant. I'm going to grab this Trailblazer and then this other guy right here, the Captain. These are $4.97 a piece or $9.94. And then there's also a $4 rebate back on swag bucks for this as well. But then there is also a rebate on Shopkick for one of the Ivory soaps and one of the Old Spice deodorants. And I will do this breakdown in much more detail at the end of the video inside my house because it's going to be a lot easier that way. Next, we're going to get the Dial Clean and Gentle Body Wash. It is $3.98. This is a new product. And we have a $1.50 rebate back on Ibotta for this, but I had a $1 body wash rebate clipped on my account for weeks. It attached to that as well. Then we also have a $1 coupon from the 27 Retail Me Not, and I'm struggling to grab it to show you guys, but there was an error with this coupon as well, but they did take the coupon off for me, making it just 48 cents. Next, we're going to grab some Nivea breathable lotion. I am sure that everybody is sick to death of this, but this is my last printable coupon for $3 off, and we will get back a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this guy just 48 cents. You can also use the Nivea insert coupon as well, and it would be $1.48 for that bottle of lotion. So not a bad deal. Next, we have a Shopkick deal on the Tresemme Pro Pure. You're going to want to grab a damage recovery item there and then a Tresemme Botanique item. So there is a bundle deal for these 2 items here. You're going to want to use the $5 off 2 coupon from the February Unilever insert, and then you will get back 950 kicks back on Shopkick for these. That equals $3.80. So altogether, the both of these will equal $3.16. Not a bad deal at all in my eyes. And then we're going to grab some Suavitel. The Suavitel Complete is $2.97. You will get back $1 on Ibotta, Very good price. This stuff is super comparable to Downy, so don't be afraid to try it. I absolutely love it. So then next we're going to get some Persil. Of course, it's me. We're going to grab Persil. We're going to grab the small package for $4.94, and then we're going to grab the giant package for $11.97. And I swear the last time I did this deal, it was $9.97. But anyways, onto the coupons. We have a $2 off coupon and a $3 off coupon from the 2-7 Retail Me Not. And then I have a $2 off rebate and a $4 off rebate back on Ibotta as well. Then my oat milk reset for free again for me. I only had a couple of days to, submit the rebate, but my store was fully stocked, so I definitely took advantage of that. Next, I'm going to grab a Coke with coffee for my stepdaughter. She loves this. There's a 50 cents rebate back on Ibotta for this, making it $1.38. But she said, it tastes like Coke, but it smells like you're at a Starbucks. So she loves it. That's fine. Next, I'm going to grab this Let Me Shine here. They're $3.97 a piece. There is a swag bucks rebate on this for me. And you will get back 800 swag bucks and when you submit your receipt, and that equals to $8, making them both free. So I really love this deal. It's sad when it's gone. So next I'm going to grab the Nerd clusters, but this is the only way I can find the Nerd clusters. There's no little display box for them. There's a tag for them, but they're always shoved deep in the back like that. So my guess is there's an employee or another shopper that really loves them and can never find them. So I grabbed 4 boxes. I meant to grab 3, but I grabbed 4. And these are so addicting. But there's a 50-cent rebate back on Ibotta for these, making them 48 cents. And then, oh my goodness, roll back for $1. I scanned this and I got back a anytime bonus or anything bonus for 10 cents on salty snacks, plus a free rebate for this as well, making it a 58-cent moneymaker. So I will take it. Next, I'm going to grab some Crave cereal for $3.64. It is the cookie dough, chocolate chip cookie dough. And there is $1 on the coupons.com app that you can use for that, as well as $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.64. Super excited about that. Then we're going to get some CLR. The CLR is the sports stain remover for $3.24. I have $1 rebate for this and a $1.50 rebate for this, making this just 74 cents. So I'll definitely take it when it can count for 2 different rebates. And that is it, guys. Let's go to the countertop. All right, guys, back in from Walmart, and it's snowing again. But one thing is, with those printable coupons from Bic, they're saying invalid coupon. My Dial body wash coupon also said invalid coupon. So something is going on with the codes and Walmart system. It's not the coupons. It can't be. It can't be. So anyways, my cashier pushed them through for me. Some cashiers will, some won't. But I would, if you know your cashiers will, then go ahead and use it. But if you are not sure, then I wouldn't use it, and I wouldn't get those rebates. But everything else went fine, and I'm going to go home, scan my receipts. Yeah, so anyways, everything went great, except that, but nothing else was an issue, so. All right, guys, this is my haul. And I'm really, really happy with it. Since I only had $1 bonus, it's not the greatest. But I know a lot of people got way better bonuses than I did. But I really wanted to work towards the bigger bonuses that I have waiting. So this might seem like a lot, but that was my finger. But I need to get 24 rebates, and I will get $20 in bonuses back after this. So next week is going to be another really big haul because I want those $20. You know what I mean? That is huge
$10 for the February funds. I called it the funding or whatever earlier. $10 for the Rising Star bonus. So I'm so excited to get those. So let's talk about a few things first. So first, this dial, this is new dial. I've not seen this dial before. This is $3.98. It's 21 ounces. It's a free or clean and gentle hypoallergenic dial body wash. We have a $1 off coupon and we have a $1.50 rebate for this. But my $1 off dial that I've had clipped to my account forever also attached to this. So I got $2.50 off on this. Plus I had a $1 coupon for this as well, making it just 48 cents, which is totally amazing. But my dial body wash coupon, it beeped and then it said invalid coupon. And I know I'm not the only one that this happened to, because couponing wins with Lynn's had the same issue. So I don't know what's going on there. So I used the dial body wash coupon. I think I used it at, where did I use it? And it worked. So something is really going on with Walmart's system and coupon codes. So just wanted to make you aware of that. But even if you don't want to use that coupon, or they say you can't use that coupon, you'll still get $2.50 off of this. So I wanted to explain this again, just because sometimes when I'm in store, if there's a, multifaceted deal, I am not able to explain it all in one swoop. So I wanted to do it a little bit better and a little bit slower, if you know what I mean. So there are swag buck rebates for this and Shopkick rebates for this. So when you buy 2 of these, you will get back $4 on swag bucks. When you buy 2 of these, you will also get back $4 on swag bucks. So buying the 4 of them, you'll get back $8. But I got an additional $1 back for these 2 here. So I actually got back $9 on swag bucks for the 4 of these. So the 4 of these totaled together are $17.88 minus the $9 on swag bucks. So that's awesome, right? But then when you buy just these 2, you get a bonus on Shopkick. So you get back 700 kicks on Shopkick, or $2.80 back on Shopkick. So then that will bring your total down to $6.08 for the 4 of them. So let's get the 4 back together. So they will be $6.08 for the 4 of them, or $1.52 a piece. And that might seem a little bit high for some people, and that's totally fine. But this is a staple in our house. And this is a staple for my mother because it is very good on her very sensitive skin. So if that's, if you're like that, give this a shot, because this is $3.97 for 30 ounces, and this is fragrance-free body wash. So I think that is a really good deal, especially if it's stuff that your family needs. Now, this is another Shopkick bonus that I wanted to explain. So there are bonuses when you buy a Damage Recovery Pro Pure Tresemme shampoo conditioner, and then there's a bonus when you buy the Botanique, one of these Botaniques. You buy them together, you get an additional bonus. So they are $5.98 a piece, and I so appreciate them making these bottles like this now instead of the shorter, fatter ones, but that's just me. These are $11.96 for the both of these. We have that 5 off 2 coupon from the February Unilever insert. Then we'll pay $6.96 for them. We'll get back 950 kicks back on Shopkick, plus an additional 40 scan kicks back if you scan them in the store. So that'll bring your total down to $3.16 for the both of them, or $1.58 a piece. And I was really happy with that deal. I was extremely happy with that deal. So that's definitely something different that you can do if you are trying to, cash out on Shopkick or whatever, you know what I mean? So just a couple other things really quick is with the big coupons. I didn't mention this in my vehicle, but I've seen people use the printable big coupons at Walgreens and they work just fine. So it's definitely something in Walmart's system that is triggering these coupon errors. You know what I mean? It's not like it's saying no coupon not found or no item found or whatever their, whatever their terminology is. It's just saying that the coupon is completely invalid. So, of course, they're not going to be the greatest at, helping us couponers with those coupons. One more thing. This right here is still on my swag bucks. Buy 2 of these, you get back 800 swag bucks, which is $8. And these equal out to like $7.94. It only issued me 300, which is strange. So even though they were scanned together and right on top of each other in the receipt, it only gave me credit for 1. I emailed them. They're usually really good about that because that's happened to me in the past because I've done this deal in the past several times, and a lot of times that happens. So yeah, let's talk the numbers. So after my coupons, everything equaled out to $80.21. That's a lot. So I got back $30.49 for the regular rebates on Ibotta. I got back $1 weekend warrior bonus. Then I will get back $16 on swag bucks. And I got back $2.29 for coupons.com. Coupons.com was $1 coupon for the cereal here and $1.29 for the gum. And that come back right away. What else? Then I got back $6.60 on Shopkick. So that brings my total down to $23.83 for everything. And I have 30 items here, just so you know. And that equals out to 79 cents per item. And I look at everything on here and I'm happy with that price. I would be more happier if my bonus was a little bit bigger, but you know what? It is what it is. And I'm striving for those bigger bonuses. Besides, I got one of my babies here, the big packages of Persil discs for 79 cents. I'll take that. Now, a lot of people probably wouldn't get this and it would be a lot cheaper for them. You know what I mean? Because that's still like $5 after the coupons and after the rebates. But I'm happy to pay $5 for a giant thing of my absolutely favorite laundry soap. And that's the whole name of the game with couponing. Sometimes it's about getting what we can get for free. Sometimes it's about getting what we love for a much cheaper price. And with that being said, guys, that is everything. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend and I will see you soon. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.